The sound of 3 vehicles were captured when I was setting up. Have a listen to how they move around the mic, and then I'll come back and show you some more.
Hey guys, this is a quick VR audio demo. First up, it's better if you're wearing headphones rather than speakers. Speakers still work, but headphones give you more of the enveloping effect. The kind of camera I'm using is a VR camera, which means it projects video along the inside of a sphere. The mic I'm using is a VR microphone, which uses spherical harmonics. So if I move around like this, there's a very natural feeling of attachment to objects in a 3D space. And this is the most basic form of VR. It's called first order. It's the lowest resolution, but we're not talking about sound quality. We're talking about positioning in space. So the higher order VRs, you would get more of an exact kind of pinpoint of where things are. So VR audio post is also under development. It means I can attach sounds to objects like this. Like that.
If I wanted to say that my voice, and post and reattach it with tracking information, that's also possible.
You can also do real-time effects that map properly to a 3D space like this. So why would you want VR audio? Well, one thing, it helps create the experience of envelopment, of being there, which is kind of the whole point. The other thing, of course, it's very difficult to direct somebody's attention in VR with stuff happening. I mean, you can say, look over there at that car, or look over there at the blue car, look over there at this, but it takes time, it's a little bit clunky. Of course, the most natural way to direct somebody's attention is to use sound. So, yeah. If you need help with your VR audio project, give us a call, contact us. The links are in the description box, and thank you for watching.
This studio voice is mono and has no tracking information on it. The music is stereo. In this scene, it has a left and a right direction that come from fixed positions.